Mentions of a brand on a website that do not include a link back to the brand's website are called unlinked mentions. These mentions can indicate an increase in brand recognition or relevance, but do not have the same benefit for search engine optimization as linked mentions. Unlinked mentions can be useful for marketing and branding efforts, but to improve SEO, they must be converted into links. Unlinked mentions are similar to no-follow links in that they do not pass along the full equity of standard link. This means while a brand's equity may be growing, the website is not receiving any link equity. Links are important in Google's search algorithm and can help build authority for a website through backlinks from other domains. However, acquiring links can be time consuming as it requires convincing other website owners to include links to a brand's content. Unlinked mentions can be useful because they indicate that people or websites are already talking about the brand, and converting these backlinks through outreach effort can be a way to earn more links. That's where WebSignals helps you. Just set up a project for your brand. Visit Unlinked Mentions in the dashboard's left side menu to find all your brand mentions that aren't linking back. Here is how to set up a project on WebSignals for the purpose of link building. Once you sign up on a paid or a free trial, enter the project name and brand name keyword, then switch to Advanced Settings. Select the sources to monitor. For link building, you should enable the web and news sources only and disable the others. Choose the languages to monitor. WebSignals collects data in over 180 languages, so you can select the ones that correspond to your target audience or choose all languages to include all of them. Select the time period to track mentions. You can choose the last 7 days to a year or select all time to include historical data. I wouldn't risk missing any potential link building opportunity, so I'm choosing all time. Similarly, you can select the time period based on your goals. Add Boolean operators to account for variations in the spelling and brand name usage. For example, our users sometimes search for rank watch with space or without the T. These are the common misspellings and variations of our brand that other websites might use as well. WebSignals Boolean operators and, or, and not ensures that it is no longer a problem. The AND operator can be used to collect mentions for every variation of the brand name. So I'll add rank space watch here. The OR operator can be used to collect mentions for common misspellings. So I'll add rank watch without T here. And the NOT operator can be used to exclude your domain from the collected mentions. So it would be best if you informed WebSignals to exclude your domain when collecting the mentions. Therefore, I'll add www.rankwatch.com to the NOT operator. Review all your customizations, click on Save and access the Unlinked dashboard via the left side menu. Now sort the list by domain score. Domain score is a measure of websites' ability to rank better in the search engine result pages. There are some situations where you should not try to obtain unlinked mentions. First of all, when sites talk negatively about your brand, site owners want to maintain a positive reputation. So linked mentions that speaks negatively about your brand could damage their efforts. Use filter to narrow down the results to positive mentions. When sites ask you to pay for links, this practice known as black hat SEO is strictly prohibited by search engines as it violates Google's webmaster guidelines. Thirdly, private blog networks, PBNs. These are a series of authoritative websites that are used solely for link building and aim to exaggerate the number of links pointing to a website. This is also considered black hat SEO. And fourthly, link farms. These are the websites or collections of websites that are created solely for the purpose of link building and try to exploit the number of backlinks to a particular site. It's important to avoid obtaining backlinks from these means because Google may penalize your site by lowering its rank or even de-indexing it entirely. Here are the 3 effective ways to reach out to the websites with unlinked mentions and request backlinks. Contact us pages. Almost all websites have a contact us page, so this is the easiest way to connect with a website and request backlink. Secondly, email extractors. If a website do not have a contact us page, you can use an email extractor like Hunter or Email Extractor Pro to find email IDs associated with a website. Alternatively, you can use Chrome extensions like Email Extract or Email Extractor to extract email IDs. Thirdly, use LinkedIn. LinkedIn has over 57 million companies on its platform. So you can use it to search for a company you want to contact, find its employees, and locate the right person to reach out to. Now let's talk about some tips and best practices to make the outreach process go smoothly. First off, don't be pushy if the site owner doesn't want to link to your site. Offer additional value to the site owner. Then thirdly, word your request in a way that would benefit the site owner. Always be polite when asking for the link. Compliment their site and thank them for their time. Always follow up after a few days if you haven't heard from the site owner. And lastly, track your outreach effort in a spreadsheet to maintain relationships. Unlinked mentions can be a source of valuable backlinks for a website if the necessary time, effort, and patience are put into reaching out to the site owners who mention the brand. This can lead to improved search engine optimization and rankings. I have dropped this email template on the description below, so feel free to use it, and thanks for watching.